Hello, my name is Tosin Williams. I'm co-founder of Learning Period Educational Services, a company that is dedicated to your academic success. We have certified tutors and credentialed teachers to meet all of your academic needs. As we say in the company, may you have continuous academic success. Today, let's talk about fractions, subtracting simple fractions. So how about number 1? 3/5 minus 2/5. As you can see, we have a common denominator. And when you have a common denominator, you just subtract straight across. 3 minus 2 is 1. And we keep the denominator the same. This is your final answer. Sorry, that one looked kind of hungry. 1/5. Let's do another example. 4/8 minus 3/8. Notice we have the same common denominator. 4 minus 3 equals 1. We keep the common denominator. 1/8. What happens when we have a fraction, two fractions that we want to subtract from each other that don't have common denominators? Then you need to find the common denominator and then subtract. Common denominator from 8 and 2 is 8. Since it's 8, we can keep the same. And how do we get from 2 to 8? We have to multiply by 4. And whatever we do to the bottom, we need to do to the top. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 1 times 4 equals 4. So we have 5 minus 4 equals 1. And we keep our common denominator. And that would be our final answer of 1/8. What about something like this? Where you have 18/20 minus 2/5. We again need to find the common denominator. So what is the common denominator between 20 and 5? As you can tell from, as you learned from the video where we did how to find common denominators, the common denominator is 20. And if you don't know, click on the link and we'll take you there. 20, how many times does 20 go into 20? Times 1, times 1. How many times does 5 go into 20? Times 4. And remember, whatever you do to the denominator, you need to do to the numerator. 2 times 4 equals 8. So we have 18 minus 8, and we have 10/20. Is this our final answer, or can we reduce? Both are divisible by 10, so let's reduce by 10. And we have 1 reduced by 10, I'm sorry. So when we say reduce, we mean divide, because 10 goes both into the numerator and denominator, and we're left with 1/2 as our final answer. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me. And to make sure you're doing your homework, let me give you some virtual homework. Try these two. 3/5 minus 4/8, and then you have 1/2 minus 1/3. Email me at the Learning Period website, learningperiod.com. Once again, our website is learningperiod.com. Here you can connect with tutors and find somebody, or maybe even online services that you would like. Or you can call us at 1-800-975-7962. That's 1-800-975-7962 for more problems such as these, and to connect with a tutor and set up your own tutoring appointment. And don't forget, GED and GRE testing is coming up. We offer specialized test prep programs, and for the summers that's coming up, we have boot camps. Call now for more details.